video I'll show you how to switch to professional account in Instagram. Switch personal account to professional account. First you open up Instagram account and go to profile icon and click on three line icon in the top corner. Click on setting and you see this option account. Click on this and scroll down, you see this option switch to professional account. Click on this and continue. You read this, continue, and again continue. What best describe you? For example, artist, music, musician, brand, blogger, clothing brand. You select category. Click on done. It can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. And you read this, are you a creator? Based on the category you selected, you may be a creator. You can change this anytime. Creator, best for public figure, content producer, artist and influencer. And you are a businessman, you select this option. I select creator, click on next. Set up your professional account. First you complete your profile and get inspired, grow your audience. You can read this. First you complete your profile, add bio. Click on this top right corner. And get inspired. Take and your professional account was created. You see this option professional dashboard and your professional account was here. Hopefully this video is for you. Thanks for watching.